So this video is about how to build a business, a local business, and how to get into that niche. And I'll see you on the other side. Alrighty, we're gonna go into this. It's gonna be a pretty quick video. So this is another, I would say, course that Builderall has inside of his back office, and it's how to create a local business. A lot of people have their own business. They have, the little shops, their little agencies, and with COVID, that kind of grew exponentially. So there's a lot of people that need a website, and there's a lot of people that need guidance in how to go about that and how to promote it and all that good stuff. So this course right here that you're seeing, this is Bridget Bartlett. She's awesome in teaching this. She started basically her business, and she didn't know basically anything about marketing, and she became an expert, and not only an expert, but teaches other people how to do it. And I mean, what can I say? She's a great lady. I admire her a lot. And these are some of the things that she goes into it. Sales funnels, lead generation. Once again, email autoresponder, following up, capture leads locally. It's like it depends on what niche you are. Because if you're straight up into affiliate marketing niche, you wouldn't have to follow up really, other than your emails, and possibly they want to talk to you, and you chat with them. But following up in a local business, brick and mortar, they want to hear a person talking to you. So she's got you covered there. She's how to capture leads daily, how to create an upsell, downsell funnel for your coaching business or whatever product you have. And she's gonna go into all of this. This is the few things that she's gonna go into: to create a website, into creating sales funnels, into lead generation. Like I said, the email autoresponder, capture leads locally, find clients with social media, marketing with SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram. That's the last lesson she has. And basically, you're gonna come out of this lesson knowing how to start your online business in a local level. You can actually follow the steps, and she'll take you step by step. And what I noticed about Bridget is that she tells you to follow her in what she's doing and gonna go along with her. So you're doing the steps when she's doing them, which is a lot. It's just great, because that's what a real teacher would do.
Hi.
There's Bridget Bartlett, and module 1, creating high converting websites. Right, a high converting website, logo and taglines, planning your website, website builder overview, and building your website. That's just the first module. So I'm telling you, man, you need to join Builderall. I'm gonna do a straight up sales pitch. You need to join Builderall if you're thinking of starting a local business and taking it to the next level. So this is Bridget Bartlett. This is one of the people that are gonna be teaching you how to build your business if you join Builderall. And as always, she has you can join her Facebook group. Of course, I already joined the Facebook group, and you can message her and ask her questions. I've certainly asked her a lot of questions. I actually asked her some technical questions. I don't have a local business. My wife does, but I asked her some technical questions. It was within 5 minutes that she answered. So she's great. So that's it. And let me go here. With Builderall, you will have a Cheetah Web Builder, which that's your web builder. You make your websites with that. Your autoresponder, you don't have to pay extra for that. You have video hosting. Also, Don't have to pay extra for that. A video wrapper, social proof pop-up, e-learning. So e-learning is basically this. You can create your own platform of e-learning when you're inside Builderall. You can create a website just like this when you're inside Builderall. So marketplace, social auto post app. I think that's only working for I think Instagram, but they're working on making it work for other sites. And basically that's it. You know what? Just try it for a while, and I guarantee you won't be sorry. Links below. So yeah, this is Douglas Valenzuela. Enjoy life with the ones that you love, and let's build a business.